We reach no yung northernmost part of Okinawa. This marker apparently, but in Japanese. Curious ako ano to. Etched in what do you call this? May ginawa ng ganyan. These are what do you call this one ba? Ito yung pinakadulo. There's a telescope here. Then makita mo yung I think this side is going mainland China. Then this one is going mainland Japan, no? Yung orientation, if I'm right. So we conquered another geography here. We drove all the way from the capital city of Naha in Okinawa, the southernmost portion. Then we go here going north. If ever may sea rise to, ito yung may iwan ng mga portions, no? Anong klaseng tanim to? So this not cafe pala to, Cape Hedo ang tawag nila, Cape Hedo. There's a walkway here going back to our car park. Babalik kami Central Okinawa today. Here, ito yung entrance here. Okay. Ano nakalagay dyan? We're here. Ah, dito tayo.
East China Sea pala yun.
Saan?
What we're facing.
Ah, facing China talaga siya, no? No.
Kasi yung past by kanina, it was
Ito, East China Sea
this
today.
one. The Village Product Center. That's where we were.
Ito pala tayo, Cape Hedo, northernmost cape of Okinawa Island. Okay. So, pabalik tayo dito. Dito tayo, ganyan. Then, saan tayo? Dito tayo.
We can pass by other destinations. Saan ba tayo galing? Hedo, no?
Dito tayo. Dito mabalik natin. Ganyan.
We can pass by yan. Okinawa
Ito?
Rail Reservation Platform.
Saan yan? Dito
Taas
ba?
ata masyado yan.
Dito tayo ba? Drive slowly. Okay. Then, dito man tayo sa baba, no? Saan tayo? Nagaw?
Gusto ko tayo sa dam.
O, daan. Green na dapat yung madaanan niya. Sige.
Okay na tayo dito?